Hi, I am Naushad. I am from Quality Assurance and Product Development team. I take care of technical training, new product development and testing. What I like about Securance, Securance gives unlimited opportunities to young people like me. I have grown and learned a lot at Securance. I could say that Securance is the best organization for youngsters like me to work with.
Hi, I am Chetan. I lead the software and application development team at Securance. Well, what I like about Securance, it gives me a platform in terms of exploring new ideas, innovating my thought process to grow and illusion.
Hello, I am Amit Musa. I am Monitoring Management Officer at Securance. My job is to listen and to resolve our customer issues and problems and to give them solution. I like Securance because I find it challenging and excitement every day. I have a lot of freedom to work independently.
Hi, I'm Shahid. I'm a monitoring executive at Securance. My job is to ensure the safety and security of assets and human lives in ATMs and bank branches. What I like about Securance, I like my supervisors. I like the energy, the excitement in the monitoring command center. We have a lot of fun together on the floor. We share jokes and have fun. We enjoy working.
Hi, I am Dinesh Gaukar. I am an installation engineer at the Securance. My job is install the security panel and device in ATMs and branch branches. I like to work in Securance because I learn a lot of things about the new security equipment, and when I troubleshoot on them, I learn a lot of about new technology. I also like to work with project team because when we together, we are having fun and also work.
Hi, I am Dipesh. I am a support coordinator in service team. I provide service to ATM and bank branches after installation of the security panel. I also coordinate with installation engineer on site to resolve their issue. I get the opportunity to do the R&D on security panels and networking areas. I have a lot of friends here. I really like with the Securance.
We believe in giving back to society, and we have been committed to our CSR initiative.